As you have seen in this video, you start the process with basically just making a lemonade by combining lemon juice, of course, with some sugar and, in my case, rainwater. But obviously you can use tap water as well. And then when the temperature has fallen to below 30 degrees, you can add the elderflowers. And then in a matter of days, like 3 or 4 days, the fermentation process will naturally begin producing alcohol. So what happens is that the natural yeast that is on the elderflowers, it will begin eating the sugar in the lemonade, and then it will produce alcohol in return. And then after these 4 days, you can see that the process hopefully has begun. If it hasn't, you can add some dry yeast to the mix and then wait some more days. But now it's time to strain the entire thing and put it on some boiled bottles that are totally clean. And of course it needs to be plastic bottles, because if you put this in regular glass bottles, you can risk that it explodes, and it's actually a bit dangerous. So I would recommend plastic bottles because that's much safer. And then after a week or two, you have your own homemade and very delicious elderflower champagne that you can serve for your guests.